Hi, I'm Jules and welcome to my apartment. I'm just gonna make some coffee real quick. I do drip coffee because I can save the earth. I'm gonna be packing for a wedding next weekend that I'm going to, or next week in North Carolina. This is what I'm going to be wearing to the wedding. I don't usually wear green, but I'm gonna try it out. And then there's a rehearsal dinner, so I'm also gonna be wearing this. It's also from Revolve. I haven't worn any of this yet. As you can see, the tags are still on. Hopefully it fits. These are girlfriend denim. And hopefully there will be time to just wear something casual. But I know that in North Carolina, usually the weather's nice. Warm. So this is like kind of to lounge around in. This is from Misguided. I do like packing when I have everything, like when I know what I'm gonna wear and when it's like organized, so that I can kind of pick through these packing cubes through each day, because that's kind of like how I would do it. So my laptop here. Wow, this fits perfectly back here, and that's amazing. So I'm gonna bring these to wear to the wedding. These casually. I have to bring these the night before. Okay, so this is my product wall closet. Unwash dry shampoo. This oil, it's Revive oil, and I use this when I like slick my hair back, kind of like it is now. Fresh Beauty face wash. Also soft cream that I use every single morning.
This mood lighting.
I know. Just give some mood lights in here. Makes the vibe. Normal stuff that I need. Super Glow Glossier serum. So that's probably everything. Perfect.